Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit seaside filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the contrast plus 10. Highlights minus 70. Shadows plus 70. Whites plus 35. Blacks plus 70. Go to Curve. Follow these settings. And go to Color. Bring the temp plus 10. Bring the tint minus 26. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red Color. And bring the hue plus 26. Saturation minus 12. Luminance minus 39. Next go to Orange. Bring the hue minus 14. Saturation minus 35. Luminance minus 24. Go to Yellow. Bring the hue plus 4. Saturation minus 71. Luminance plus 23. Next go to Green. Bring the hue plus 73. Saturation minus 74. Luminance plus 48. Go to Sky Blue. Bring the hue plus 2. Saturation minus 48. Luminance minus 2. Next go to Blue. Bring the hue plus 8. Saturation minus 48. Luminance minus 32. Go to Purple. Bring the hue minus 37. Saturation minus 58. Luminance minus 11. Next go to Pink. Bring the hue plus 4. Saturation minus 65. And done. Go to Split Tone. Bring the hue to 219. And saturation 2. For shadows. And done. Now go to Details. Sharpening 23. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorials. See you next time. Have a great day.